Welcome to Arcwell. My name is Taylor Garcia. I'm the third generation owner of our family-owned independent insurance agency. We're located here in Gilbert, Arizona, and we are dedicated to helping the state of Arizona get the best property insurance that they could get. Whether you're a contractor, you're a builder, you own a high-value home, you own rental properties, or you own a commercial building, property insurance can be very nuanced, and there are many things that other agents that don't specialize in this can miss. And when you're building your assets with property, you want to make sure it's protected right. So let's back up a little bit. Our family agency was started in 1936 in Pasadena, California. It was originally named E. Fraley Jackson, which was the gentleman's name, which was my father-in-law's father, right? So he started back in the day, and then my father-in-law came into the mix, and the name changed to Jackson and Jackson because naturally it was father and son, and his name was Clark Jackson. So when I met the family and I came into the business, I naturally went into helping more property owners as well get the best property insurance there was. Whether it was a commercial building or it was a high value homeowner, that's what we specialized in and that's what we helped. Well, let's fast forward a little bit now to 2025. I took over the family business and it was still Jackson and Jackson in California, but I moved to Gilbert, Arizona. And what I was finding was really frustrating. So now I'm determined to grow this next chapter of our agency, because what I was finding working with homeowners and property owners here in Arizona is that many people were underinsured. As you may or may not know, living here in Arizona, the property market boomed, right? Buildings were being built. A lot of people were moving into the state. So naturally the housing market went up. Well, what happens is the values go up. The cost to rebuild goes up. Everything's going up. The economy in the state was going up. But people weren't updating their insurance policies, and insurance agencies and insurance agents weren't doing a good job, from what I have been finding, to updating these policies. And so we've been writing and helping a lot of property owners get the right insurance they need, making sure they're up to date with their insurance coverages. And we are just determined to do things a little differently. Look, I'm only 35 years old. I'm a fairly young business owner, right? Most 30-year-olds don't want to get into insurance. Most people my age don't look at this as a field of work they want to go into. I'm here to change that. Not only am I here to change how insurance works so the consumer can get a better experience when buying insurance, but also to provide an environment where young, driven people can come work, grow, succeed with the heart of wanting to help people. Arcwell is going to be a completely different brand than most insurance agencies, and that's my goal. Sprinkling in my faith of Christianity with my hard work and discipline, everything we have. And we have some veterans that have worked for us, right? We like to incorporate our love for the country, our hard work and discipline, but also our compassion and love we have for helping others. And so if you're on this page, I just welcome you. I welcome you to our community and our company, and I hope that we can help you in some way, shape, or form, because we're here to transform how insurance works the best to our ability, right? I have a family. I have 3 kids and a wife that all at home. So I'm here to grow and help people build a career where they could still balance being with their families, providing for their families, while also still with the heart of helping others. So we're here to change how property insurance is done. We're here to change that experience, help where we can, get the best rates on your insurance while still getting the proper coverages and working with somebody that you can trust. We are here as advisors. We are not here to just save you a couple bucks. We're not for everybody, and that's okay. We're here to help the ones that really value their assets and their portfolios. We look at the whole portfolio as a whole. We look at their rental properties, their home, maybe they have a commercial building, maybe they have a business, right? We look at the whole picture and how can we protect it? Because I assure you, to get all those assets, it was a lot of work, and it's taken you this long to get there. We want to make sure we protect it the right way. So that's who we are in a nutshell. Follow along, subscribe to the channel, because we're gonna have a lot of content on here about property insurance, about our agency, about our culture, about what we're building here in Arizona. And I'm really excited to share that with you guys. So if you know anybody looking into getting into this industry, we would love to have that conversation to see if they could come in to our team to help build the culture that we're building. Or if you have properties, or if you have a business, or you have an auto and home, you're already buying insurance and you want that better experience, reach out to us today. We would love to see if we could help. I really appreciate you watching this video and taking the time today. We look forward to hearing from you soon.